Hi guys, it's Mrs. Warner from Southview Elementary. Today for your word work activity, you're going to be learning how to spell some new words, and we're going to practice them several times before we get to write them. Your teacher's going to give you a sheet like you see on the slide here. She's going to give you letter cards and letter tiles or our magnetic letters, whichever one she prefers you use. You're going to pick out one of your cards, like I've got the word how. I'm going to say it first, how, and then I'm going to spell it out with my letters, H-O-W. I'm going to put a check mark then in the first box on your sheet. I'm going to mix up my letters again, spell it again, H-O-W on my paper, and then I'm going to put a second check mark. You're going to do this 3 times before you write the word in the right column over there. And then I'm going to use my pencil and write H-O-W. You're going to do this for 5 words. Make sure you do each word 3 times before you write it. Have fun.